Lo mfundi webanga lika grade 11 uKamohelo kubikwa ukuthi wanyamalala ngemuva kokuthi imoto ayihamba ngayo imiswe yiveni eyayihamba abalisa ababili ababegqoke umfaniswano wamaphoyisa. Amaphoyisa athi ngemuva kophenyo olunzulu utholakale ephephile wahlengwa ezintathakusa zanamuhla.
We can confirm that Kamohelo is safe with the parent, and thus far we didn't observe any visible injuries, but he will still undergo medical treatment just to make sure that he's fine.
uMakhele uthi ingxenye yophenyo lwabo lubheke izingcingo ezenziwa emaphoyiseni nakumama kaKamohelo mayelana nemali yokuthi akhululwe.
During our operations, the center where we were operating from, there were calls which were coming in, including the calls which were directed to the mother of the victim. We know that during this time, people take advantage. So there are several calls which were made, which will be certainly tabled in front of the court as soon as this case makes its way in court.
Kuboshwe abalisa abahlanu nokwenze bafinyelela kwabayisithupha abasola bathinteka kuleli cala okubalwa kubo nephoyisa elingumsolo wokuqala.
3 of the suspects were found on the road in one of the townships with the victim himself, and 2 others were found at the house in the same township.
Laba bazovela enkantolo yemantshi yaseBloemfontein ngomsombuluko.